Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare IG broker versus Trading212 broker. So let's start. The first thing I'm going to talk is fees, then I will go to account opening, markets and products that you can actually trade with, and then also like the design and functionality of the applications they have, and also the security. So let's go. Fees. This is the most important thing, right? So Trading212 is winning here huge because they got free ETF and free stocks. IG has like a little bit of medium or like higher fees comparing to normal rates. Let me show you. When you go to like IG fees, you're gonna see like real stock fees. And I get like stock and ETF commission of $2,000 trade. The US stock is much higher comparing to XTB stock, and also the German stock are also much more expensive. So this is the first thing that, like, all right, if you want to invest to stocks, if you want to invest to ETF, I would actually go with the Trading212. So let me also show you the truth. Like, okay, I got it right here. Let me show you that I'm buying ETF through the trading, and I'm going to click buy, like value of 5 units or €5, review order, and as you can see, number of units are 0.069, and you can see here commission is free, and this is huge. So you can actually like save money on that, and that's important. But if we talk about the markets and products, let me show you. They have, IG has also options, and that's like comparing to Trading212 much like better. But even like compare the IG options fee like to other like interactive brokers, or I don't know where you can trade options too. So if you want to use trading platform from stocks on ETF, go with the Trading212. But IG has much better platform for investing and for day trading. So if you like to even day trade, I don't know, on Forex, okay, this is like, we can talk about it further. If you would like to invest on Forex, the fees are all right. On some way they are expensive more. XTB has lower fees, but still, it's all right, I think. But I would still choose XTB instead of IG, but that's just me. Now let's go further. Account opening on both of these platforms is free. On IG is up to 5 days to do it. Deposit and withdrawal, you don't have any deposit fee, any withdrawal fee, but IG has inactivity fee that if you're not going to be on a platform for 2 years, you're gonna pay like $15 or something like that. And that's pretty much it. Customer service on both of these platforms is kind of good. When I wrote to Trading212 in Sunday, they replied to me in 3 hours. That's crazy. And then like got education, and I personally love when you have demo account that you can actually like test it out, and that's good. Safety, also both of these platforms are kind of safe, but IG is like much more safer. It's also listed on a stock exchange, and this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask in down below in comments. But personally, again, if you're looking for Forex, don't go with any of these, choose XTB. If you're looking for stocks and ETF, go with the Trading212, or like in some way that you can have free ETF and stocks like it's in the US. If you're looking for options, IG is good way. That's like better. And that's pretty much it. So also, real stocks and ETF are only tradable in UK, Ireland, Malta, Cyprus, and Australia. And the markets are personally lower. So like IG is mainly on CFD and Forex as the main target. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.